as someone said that if you don't evaluate yourself for another, like we did the exams, final exams, evaluations, and then where we came to know where exactly we are and what's an evaluation point, what's the feedback for us. Usually we follow the sandwich folio approach that plus recommendation and this. Now I will request General Evaluator to share to take this section for the evaluation. Okay.
Thank you, Toastmaster Mukesh, for navigating us to the most important part of Toastmasters, why we are here. Because here we are here to take feedbacks and implement those feedbacks. On that note, let me start with the first evaluation, which is going to be the table topics evaluation. And I would like to invite our table topics evaluator, Toastmaster Sumit, for evaluating the table topics.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Here is the table topic evaluation report. So today we have Varun as a table topic master. I think very well explained the Oreo approach, and Varun also had a very unique way of giving the topics from one backpack. So selecting the topic from a unique way, that was really good. Now coming to the speakers, so our first speaker was Toastmaster Anurag. His topic was life give you if life give you one backpack, what would you like to remove from that? So I think very good explanation with some good examples. He was very confident over on the stage, and I don't see any improvement. So he was very perfect. Now coming to the second speaker, Gash Karan. I think good try. As an area of improvement, I would request you to come or participate more on table topics and speeches. So having giving try on or coming on the stage will boost your confidence and will give you more motivation to have more insight from your side to explain in front of audience. Now coming to our third speaker, Toastmaster Deepak. His topic was, is your backpack heavy or light? I think very good explanation with good humor and having some real example into it added more value, and I don't see much area of improvement. I think you are very confident having good body language and movements on the stage. Now coming to next speaker, guest Prakriti. So her topic was, which place you would like to visit with one backpack. So I think a very good explanation. She explained where she would like to go and why. I think she was very good with the content, but if you could add or you were on the stage, but you abruptly closed your or stopped your speaking, you may spend some more time on stage when you are coming on the stage. That will give you more motivation and more confidence to speak more and more. Otherwise, very good explanation. Now coming to our next speaker, I think guest. I was not able to recall the name.
Yes,
Sahil. Sorry, Sahil. Guest Sahil. So this topic was, what would you like to have in your backpack for one day trip? So he was having good content, or he was sharing the example what to have and what not to have. I think he was explaining the things, but if you could have more open hands, most of the time your hands were closed. So having open hands shows the more confidence in the speaker, so that you can apply maybe from your next speeches. otherwise the content was good. And coming on the stage will boost your confidence. Now coming to our next speaker, Toastmaster section. Always wonderful. I think no area of improvement. He explained his topic was, are you ready? Are you someone who pack your bag early or instantly? So he is one who pack the bag with the alarm. So I think very good explanation, having good reasons and examples to share his content and opinion. No area of influence from my side. Now coming to our next speaker guest, Divyanshi. Her topic was which place you would like to visit. So same topic. Okay. I was confused when I was writing it, having the same topic for two containers. So she explained very well where to visit and where not to visit. She liked the nature and having out from your work. So very good content, good explanation, good example. Coming on a stage will boost your more motivation to give more speeches. Now coming to the last speaker, Toastmaster Sumit. His topic was, what is one lesson you have learned during your travel? He explained very well, and he was having good content, good reason and good example. Such I don't find any area of improvement. I think overall it was a good session. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, DM Sumit, for the great evaluation. Now I would like to invite Kritika to evaluate Darshit's speech.
Congratulations to the target speaker for delivering the first speech on stage. It takes huge courage to come up on the stage and deliver a 4 to 6 minute speech and breaking the ice. So kudos on that. On the commentations part, I would like to comment him on 2 to 3 things. First, how he related his life story with a test match and used the annotations and with the test match and Pujara and everything. So that was wonderful. Great on that. He also maintained eye contact. I could see from the people in the back, people in the front, people in the right, everyone, you were maintaining eye contact. So kudos on that too. But yes, every speech has some things to improve, and that's what we are all here for. So just one recommendation, try making the content a little more lively. As in, for example, I will give a couple of examples. You told that you failed one admission, it gave you 1 year of gap, then a couple of interviews and everything failed. So maybe you can start like, I was one of the rowdy boys in my school with full confidence and everything. Then you go and take your life ahead. In this way, how you could do is you are using the entire stage also. You start with your rowdy boy era, and then you come how you didn't like your job, you left the job, then you went to MBA, but then there was a 1 year of gap, then what happened, and at the end you say that this was the entire test series and how you link it. So it would just make the content more lively and connect with the audience a bit more. So all in all, it was a wonderful speech. This was just a suggestion and a to-do for your next speech. Keep coming up, be tenacious and keep giving speeches and we have a wonderful speech. That's all.
Toastmaster Kritika. Now I would like to invite Toastmaster Dipanshu for evaluating Aditra's speech.
The first thought after hearing Aritra's speech was, are all managers like this? The first first thing that I really admired about Toastmaster Arithra's speech was his voice modulation. We all have observed his journey. He's quite tenacious about it. The way he put forward the dialogues, the drama, and the way he was clear and varied in his voice modulation. What it does that it makes the speech much more engaging. The audience was hooked till the end. That's the power of a good voice modulation, and every great speaker uses it to their advantage. The second thing that I really admired about Toastmaster Arithra's speech was his storytelling skills. The objective of understanding your communication style is a more of an information style of speech, and having story in that particular section of speech made it really engaging. I think it was one of the best communication style speeches that have come across in a long time. The way he explained his dialogue with Amitabh and himself, that was really engaging as well. So having a great story is how a great speaker adds emotion to the speech. Because in the end, we don't care about the information, we don't care about the data. It's the emotion that connects us to another human, and that makes the speech really much more engaging, much more interesting. Coming to the recommendation part. The first recommendation for Toastmaster Arithra is, as the speech objective was focusing on the communication style. This is my personal recommendation. I feel no one has one communication style. It depends on the situation. It's more varied, and I think in the objective also they explain all the communication style you have used. So my recommendation is to give a more varied speech, understanding on different communication style or different situation you have used. That way it would be much more relatable to everyone. That's one recommendation that I would say. My second recommendation is to have a message. A message is really important, because after Toastmaster Arithra's speech, what was going inside my mind was what was the takeaway, what I'm taking away from the speech. That's the message. Whatever message you feel that will add value to your audience's life, that is something that audience will take, because that is what we remember after a long time. Okay, that was the message, and that was what Arithra spoke about. Overall, to summarize, Toastmaster Arithra's strong suits are his voice modulation and his storytelling skills, something we all can learn a lot from him. And I'm sure with the recommendation of focusing on the objective, making it more varied, and having a message will make the speech much more interesting. And the next thing. Overall, a great speech. I absolutely loved it. Back to you, Toastmaster.
Thank you, Dipanshu, for the amazing feedback. Let me call upon PM Deepika for evaluating Pranav's speech. More than a postcard. Toastmaster Pranav has explained very beautifully how his experience was of living abroad. He has a very good flow of speech that was prepared. He started with the honeymoon phase of living abroad, partying with friends, enjoying and meeting new people around him. Then he put then reality hit, and the academic pressure, the homesickness, the racism came into his way. And then he talked about what he learned from these experiences. It taught him resilience and being tenacious. So it has a very good flow of speech. There are few parts on which I would just like to put my recommendation. In voice modulation, I believe that there was a bit of monotonicity in the whole speech. There was the sentence, people will stare at your stores, talk behind your back. You could have put drama in there. People will stare at the stores, talk behind your back. It could have given the audience more engagement. For the stage movement part, you were mostly like going back and forward here. The three parts of your speech could have been like the honeymoon phase starts from here. Then you could have talked about the reality check on here, and then put your experience, what you have learned from it while standing at the middle. Overall, I would say very good eye contact, very good content. Just follow this improvement part and your speech will be great. Thank you, Toastmaster.
The word of the day, tenacious, was used 5 times by TM Dipanshu, TM Tanav, TM Anurag, TM Kritika, and just lately by TM Deepika. Some incorrect usage of grammar in TMOD speech. When you were talking about past instances, you used multiple times the present form, it gives me, right? Firstly, I mean, if it is a present, then it gives me. However, the correct usage in your stance should be, it gave me. The present, Rahul was missing, no, it is present today, so Rahul is missing. In Goa incidents, when you talk about, we took and then you used, in the second stance, we are on an activa. Somebody used, she was in a more frightened. It is, she was frightened, right? Then somebody used past narration again, telling about family story. We catch the train, it should be we caught the train. Somebody used traffic was jammed. There is no stance like this. It is, there was a huge traffic jam. Or you can use some creative usage, like there was a bottleneck traffic. So bottleneck traffic again, identifies that it is a huge traffic jam. Somebody used TM Darshit, used defense career. It is a career in defense. Destiny has, it was a past. So destiny had some bigger plans for. Then it was also, you were telling something about past. You did it, it was not figure out, it was I figured out. TM Aritra, no incorrect usage. TM Tanav, no incorrect usage. Then it was again one cousin sister. There is no word as such cousin sister, it is a cousin. So whether it is a cousin brother or cousin sister, it is only a cousin that you have to use. He was explaining, it is he explained. The correct usage was this. Then TM Deepika, while giving a feedback, evaluation feedback, she used has 2 times. It was for a past speech, so she has to use had for that particular speech. Thank you so much.
Now I would like to invite AM Aishwarya for sharing the R counter report.
So I'm back with my report, and do you know how many members have used filler words? Any guesses?
5.
Okay. So now I will share my report. TM Mukesh used so 10 times and 3 times, but 1 time. TM Darshit used so 4 times, 11 times and 6 times, but 2 times. TM Nitya used and 1 time, so 3 times. TM Tanav used 1 time and 2 times, but 1 time, so 1 time. 1 time. TM Varun used and 1 time, so 2 times. TM Anurag used 1 time, like 1 time, so 1 time. Guest Karan used so 1 time, 1 time. TM Deepak used and 1 time, so 1 time. Guest Prakriti used no filler words. Guest Sadhan used so 2 times, 3 times. TM Saksham used but 2 times and 1 time. Guest Divyanshi used and 6 times, 1 time, but 1 time, 1 time. TM Sumit used and 4 times, so 1 time. TM Sumit used so 6 times, 4 times, and 1 time. TM Kritika used and 2 times. TM Dipanshu used that 5 times and 1 time. TM Deepika used 2 times. And I would like to add on something. Instead of using filler words, you can take some long pauses and then you can continue with your speech. So that's my report. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Toastmasters. Toastmaster Aishwarya. Now I would like to finally call upon our Toastmaster Anup to share the timer report.
Good afternoon again. Here is my timer report. Sergeant at Arms, TM Sriya, 1 minute 57 seconds. Presiding Officer, TM Saksham, 4 minutes 30 seconds. TM OD Mukesh, the total timing was 25 minutes. He used 25 minutes 20 seconds. TM Sumit Phalla, Joke Master, 2 minutes 20 seconds. Jackson, for the prepared speeches, TM Dasit, icebreaker speech, 5 minutes 10 seconds. TM Aritra, 7 minutes 2 seconds. TM Tarab, 7 minutes 6 seconds. Table topic master, he concluded on time. TM Anurag, table topic speaker, 1 minute 40 seconds. Guest Karan, 55 seconds, so he will be disqualified. TM Deepak, 1 minute 39 seconds. Guest Prakriti, 42 seconds, so she will also disqualified. Guest Sahil, 1 minute 10 seconds. TM Saksham, table topic speaker, 1 minute 47 seconds. Guest Divyansi, 1 minute 4 seconds. TM Sumit Bhalla, table topic speaker, 1 minute 17 seconds. Then for the speech evaluator, TM Kritika, 2 minutes 17 seconds. TM Deepanshu, 3 minutes 7 seconds. TM Deepika, 1 minute 50 seconds, so she will be disqualified. Table topic evaluator, TM Sumit, the allocated time was 3 to 5 minutes and he took 5 minutes 52 seconds, so he will be disqualified. Auxiliary role player, TM Deepak, took 2 minutes 29 seconds. TM Asalya took 2 minutes 9 seconds and me took 2 minutes 9 seconds. So thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Anup, for sharing the report. I'll start with my report. So, the general evaluation report, the meeting started on time. The meeting started on time, 10:30. The SAR should be more prepared. That was me as the acting SAR, but from next meeting we will have our SAR who is the elected EC, who is in the elected EC. So, but I request all the role players, whosoever is participating as a role player, must come at the venue at 10:15 so that we arrange our needful for the meeting. For example, for the hour counter, the file in which we write the report was filled and it was missing. So all the role players must come at the venue by 10:15, whosoever has taken up a role. So starting with Toastmaster section, as the presiding officer, you greeted guests well. It was a very interactive session of yours. You introduced the TMOD, which is a very good part. Toastmaster Mukesh, it was a very interactive, full of experience, session. It was all of us took our notes to our journey to travel destination. It was a very different experience. The only feedback that I have is sometimes your voice, when you do voice modulation, sometimes your voice comes at a very lower pitch, which becomes little, unheard. So you have to, play with your voice in a way that it has to be at a medium level when it's audible for all. So that way you have to improve. And at certain point with Toastmaster Aritra, I feel that the introduction, the speech title was not appropriate. It has to be Toastmaster Aritra, then speech title, Toastmaster Aritra. So that happened at Toastmaster Tana, but it was missing at Toastmaster Aritra. Throughout the session, I felt today the applause was not up to the mark. Usually we applaud every time whenever there is a transition, whenever a guest is coming on the stage to speak. So that's a feedback for all of us during the session. Let's make our applaud louder so that whole meeting we are engaged, And Toastmaster, table topic master, very innovative idea of having a backpack with recommendation to something different. So introduction of Oreo approach should be more elaborative. And you were missing handshakes. So every time a guest comes on the stage, you have to do a handshake during the transition, coming and going off the stage. Table topic evaluator, Toastmaster Sumit. The G has to evaluate table topic master, not the table topic evaluator. You have to introduce the table topics. The body language was good. You used the CMC approach, so it was good. Only one recommendation on the body language, you were slightly doing this gesture, so that is one thing to be noted. Evaluator 1, which is Kritika. Very good body language. I think Kritika, Dipanshu, you guys have already nailed the art of giving feedback, so it was very good. You gave good feedback. Both of you followed the CMC approach, and the content was very relatable on how you were giving the feedback. You gave very good example, and the perfect example that Kritika gave on how the life journey Darshak can travel, so it was really good. Just one recommendation, after giving this feedback, you said it's just a feedback if you want to take. No, you have given a very good feedback. Stay true to that, important aspect that you have mentioned. So whenever you give a feedback, it is a suggestion that one should take, right? And Dipanshu, very good feedback. You used the CMC approach. So, and just one recommendation while giving feedback, you will stick to this right side of the stage. That is one thing that we can be conscious about. Evaluator 3, Deepika. The only thing you gave a very good feedback, you used the CMC approach. The only thing that was little, concerning was the body language. He was shivering. And I think weather plays a role on that also. We at times start feeling more colder when we are on stage. So that's one aspect which we can all work upon. Grammarian, you have to introduce the word of the day. You missed that, and you have to quote the creative usages with name and incorrect without name. So it's a feedback that has to be taken. Okay. So the good part is that you used that you gave the creative examples also. Like instead of this, you can use this. So that's a very good approach. But remember, we shouldn't be mentioning names. Our counter, very good. Aishwarya, I could see a lot of improvement in your evaluation. I told her to give a suggestion on how to overcome the filler words, and she gave that. Just one suggestion: take a pause when you are saying Toastmaster Aritra use this. Stop. Then Toastmaster Dipanshu use this. Stop. So that the other person can take notes on how many pauses they have to take, like how many R counters they used. You were very frequent in that. And Toastmaster, no, your report was bang on, no recommendation on that. That's my report for today. I would like to hand it back to Toastmaster of the day.
So now I will like to invite presiding officer section for Nagarajan.
Well, the meeting is coming to an end, and it's better we should start by having the suggestion of the guest. So I request the guest to tell how was your experience and everything with Toastmaster. Now.
So I think it was very good. I really enjoyed talking to everyone and the reports that we are making. It's very helpful. So I think I would like to come again and again. So I think it was very good.
Definitely a new experience for me. I never heard about this community, and definitely I was very skeptical about this, what is going to be happening there. But the way you are giving a report and making a people correct of their shortcomings, so this is a very good part that I have seen over here, and it's a very good experience.
One is the feedback form
Yeah.
shared. So the feedback form, the voting link has been shared. I request the members to show the QR code to the guests as well, so that they can also vote. And by then, guest sir, would you like to give your
So the detailed feedback part, right? It was very amazing. I did not think that something like that can be approached in that way. So my purpose of improving my communication skills, I think, will be solved here, and I would love to come back.
Sure.
so much for the wonderful session. For me, one of the best things is that just looking at people and watching how they are performing, how they are giving the speeches and all, just learning by visualizing them, seeing them, and understanding. That is a very primarily core part of how everything is happening here. So I think I'll enjoy going back here next time.
We have added a new member recently. His name is Toastmaster Tashit. I would like to hear some feedback from the very first session by Toastmaster Tashit. So please.
Yeah, so it was a good meeting by the way, and I was part of the club in Ahmedabad. It was some experience, but I think the energy was also greater than the other clubs, so it was a good experience. Anyways, and yeah, would like to continue with the session.
The feedback form has been shared. I hope we all. So the voting form has been shared. I hope we all have been voting. And one again, what do you say? News from the EC side is we are going to conduct the table topic club level contest on this 25th January, and the flyers and all the details are going to be posted on the group. So I request all the members to be active. Make sure that you are going to fill up your slots. And along with that, we are going to have the ICE contest in the mid of February. The whole details and everything will be again shared in the group, so be active. Now, do we have the scores? No? Okay.
Everyone has voted?
Have everyone has voted? Yes. I have. And for the benefit of guests, if you guys want to have any more, knowing more about the club, you guys can talk to the membership. Her name is Toastmaster Shreya. She is right there. After the meeting, do have a chat with them so that you understand what the club more. And
Has everyone voted? Huh? There is a time for the
have by chance.
Anurag is not voted. Anurag is voted.
Everyone voted.
Achha, I think there's somebody voted right now.
Just refresh it once again.
Still time. You can just use it. Voted?
Should be 20. Certificate now finally clear we got 20 on the certificate. Anurag
Sorry.
Anurag had.
अच्छा अंदर दिन vote. अच्छा
एक वोट की कितनी वेटेज है?
You are the deal maker.
प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्शन के समय से तो कर
You are the deal maker. You are.
प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्शन
You are
के समय से कर
You are Nitish Sarkar for
नीतीश सरकार ने वोट सरकार
Is Nitish for voting?
You make the order.
ये डेलीवेट ही है.
By the time let me start with the best auxiliary role player, and we had three amazing tag teams, which is Timer, Toastmaster Anu, Counter, Toastmaster Ashwarya, and Ground Median, Toastmaster Deepak.
best auxiliary role player goes to Toastmaster Deepak. The program of 27 comes to an end, and I hope we all learned something, we all had a lovely time, and whenever someday we'll remember this day again. I request all members to come on the stage for a wonderful photograph and a snacks later by. And thank you everyone.